Hello, good evening. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, June the 24th, 2023. No, in the weekend edition, we have no extra puzzles, but it's the edition of Friday. Last Friday, June the 23rd, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the tectonic with 1 star and the Sudoku with 0 stars. Yes, it's just 0 stars Sudoku, and this one will be number 6653. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1 star puzzle. For the 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, I do not know if this is 40 minutes or 30 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so no row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so no row below. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, 2, 2. Let me see, 3, 3, 2, 2. Need a 6 here. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. Alright, 3, 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 6 should be here. 2 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. I need a 4 here, okay. 7. I need a 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. No. I need a 9 here. 7. But 1. Need a 1 here. 8, 2, 4. Well. Need a 5 here. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers are 5 and a 1. We have a 5 and a 1 in this big square, so no 5 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and a 1 go in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 1, 5 and a 1. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers? The 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. The other pair in this big square, the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 3, 7 and the 3. Alright. 3, 3, 3. 7, 3, and need a 6 here. Alright. Let me see. 1, 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here's 6 in the 3rd row, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the 3rd row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the 2nd row, so the 1st row, only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Need a 1 here. 3, 3, need a 3 here. 2, 3, and 7. 2, 3, and 7, 2. Here can be a 2. 2, 3, and a 7. 7 and a 5. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. Need a 2 here. 7. Need a 4 here. 1, 1. Need a 2 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 also there. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 here. 3, 7. Need a 7 here. Yeah, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Need also a 7 here. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the 2nd column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look at 3 and the 7 in this row, last row. So no 3 and the 7 in this box. 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 1. 1. 1 in the 3rd column, 1 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, the only 2 places left for 1. Could be here, could be there. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 7, 3, and need a 6 here. 6 in the 1st column, 6 in the 2nd column. So the 3rd column, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 5 in the 3rd column, 5 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Come on, need a 7 also. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. 3 and the 7. 3 missing numbers in the 1st row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 in this column. So no 2 in this box. 2 could be here or could be there. So the 7 and a 3. So here we have a pair. Here can be 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. no 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 6, here we have a 6. That means in this row, need a 6 here. Yeah, here can be 6 because we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We see another 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the only place for the 6 could be here, could be there. 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, last column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the first one, no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7, 3, and a 1. 7, 3, and a 1. Here can be 1. Here can be 1. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. Here can be 1. Because we have 1 in the second row, column, so no 1. The only place left for the 1 in the third row should be here. So the 7 and the 3 are left. Here also 7 and a 3. 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Here we have 1. 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 1, 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next to that column. The only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 6. Need a 3 here. 7, 3, and a 6. 7, 3, and a 6. Well, 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 7, 6. 3, 7, 6, 3, 7, 6, 3, 7, 6. And look, with 3 and a 7 in the last row. No 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, so 1 digit left should be the 6. Here I've also marked those 2 boxes for the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Right. 1, 2. In this column we need a 1. Here can be a 1 because we have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 7 and a 3, so this should be the 8 and a 5. Yeah, 8 and a 5. 1, 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1, could be here, could be there. 7 and a 5, okay. Need a 7. 7 and a 3, we already have a 7 in the last column, so this box can be a 7. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3, 3. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for 3. Could be here, could be there. 3, 3, yeah, 3 in the last column, 3. Oh, we already have a 3 here. 7 and a 5. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 7, and a 5. 6, 6, 1, 3. Yeah, 1 box left in the second column for the number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 7 and 3. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with a 7 should be there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in this row, so this box should be a 5 and that box should be a 7. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row only place left with a 7 should be there. So we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3, 3, 3. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 8 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 and a 5, I've marked, no, wait, yeah, alright, wait, 7 and a 3, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. Here I've marked those 2 boxes, 8 and a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there, 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column 3, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there, finished in 17 minutes, wow. Not faster than 50 minutes. But we solve it again. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.